Hello, my name is Kenneth Walter of Gray & Walter Interior Design. Today we're going to discuss how to make a rug not slippery. One of the key issues in a rug which could slide around is tripping, so we always recommend a non-skid pad, which I will show you about. So one of the things that you want to consider when you have a fine rug, you want to protect the edges. If you don't have a pad, the danger is you're damaging the pile of the rug. You're also damaging the edge because that's where you're stepping constantly. It's best to have a non-skid pad such as this. This is more of a waffle pattern, and they're sold in many different varieties. Some are just flat rubber, some are a waffle pad, some have more cush. In a rug like this, you don't need a really thick pad. It's not like in a living room or a master bedroom where you want a lot of softness underfoot. You get a lot of traffic in and out of this entry foyer. So the key for the pad is you don't want to trip on the rug, you don't want your guests to fall and break their neck, and you also want to keep the rug that you've invested in great shape. So one of the things that you want to pay attention to when selecting a rug is, do you really need a rug pad? Not every rug does. This hair and hide rug, for instance, has a rubber backing. It does not need a pad. It's not necessary. However, not every hair and hide rug has a rubberized backing, so that's something you need to pay attention to. It's always best to talk to your designer, your architect, or even just the person at the rug store where you're buying the rug to find out how the rug is made, where it's from, and what kind of pad you should get. Rely on the professionals. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck and happy shopping.